Nothing speaks to the robust training you'll receive at Magna School for the Skilled Trades more than the tremendous support we receive from industry. We work closely with industry partners like Magna International, BMD Tool and Machine, Diescan Tool, and MetriCan to ensure our programs are cutting edge, our students are supported, and that our graduates leave our workshops as skilled, capable tradespeople. The Magna Skilled Trade Centre has all the industry standard equipment and machinery you would expect from a post-secondary institution that invests in its students. The facilities, equipment, and workshops are not only impressive, but they reinforce the investment that we make in our students. With the latest CNC machines for tool and die and general machinist programs, renewable energy equipment like solar panels, wind turbines, electric car chargers, and a Tesla Powerwall for electrical programs, a CNC plasma cutter used by welding students, and our new gas appliances lab for the gas technical courses in our plumbing program, we stay on top of industry trends and initiatives to make sure our students are well equipped to walk right into a job when they graduate.
During work study, we actually were setting up for Skills Ontario, our booth, and there's a few events that we provide the machines for. So I was able to set those up. I actually got to set up all the mills and set up all the lathes for Skills Ontario. So it's really good. It's an opportunity to see pretty much as many trades as you can think of. A lot of technologies as well. The great part about that is you have that opportunity. And there's also the Skills, Sheridan Skills, Skills Canada, and then World Skills to get that far. So really great opportunities there relating to Sheridan and Skills in competition.
With so much support for the skilled trades, never has there been a better time to learn a trade. With a well-documented shortage of skilled trades workers and career opportunities in construction, manufacturing, power distribution, utilities, logistics, and maintenance, the skilled trades programs at Sheridan set you up for a successful and immediate career. Magna School for the Skilled Trades, where your trades education is backed by expert, connected instructors, and a network of support to help you craft your future in skilled trades and apprenticeship. Check us out at skilledtrades.sheridancollege.ca. Sheridan's Magna School for the Skilled Trades. There's nothing else like it.